Hello and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. So for today I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. I will speak about Bitcoin, dollar index, gold market, crude oil and NASDAQ 100. I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. So what we can see here is that market is trading in a consolidation. If you watch the bottom left corner on your screen, you will see that we have a daily chart, and here we have quite a consolidation in the last couple of days with a resistance at 1.0815 and support around 1.0725. So you can also see that market is trading below the 50 and 100-day moving average and above the 10 and 20-day moving average. So basically we have a contraction between the moving averages. So I would like to see the breakout of this consolidation in order to confirm some, let's say, more significant directional move. So the breakout of 1.0725, a breakout of this support, can be a good sign for the further drop towards 1.0650, for example. If the market breaks like at 1.0817 and hold above, then there will be a chance for a retest of 1.0885. On the Bitcoin, we had a down, so basically outside day and then combined with inside day. So we had definitely consolidation. If the market can break 60,100 mark, and if market can hold below this level, there will be a chance for a drop towards the 56,800 and then potentially even towards the 52,000 mark. So you can see that market is trading below the declining 10, 20 and 50-day moving average, and we have the short-term downside environment with a series of the lower highs and lower lows in the background. So the re-break of this support can be a good sign for the downside continuation move. Dollar index, so you can see that the 50-day rising moving average held pretty well last week. Then we have some outside day closing near the low, so I will watch if the market can re-break the 105.70 area, 105.71, because this can be a good sign for the further rally, and then we'll have upside objective around 106.50 mark. From another side, if market can clear this pin bar low and hold below, there will be a chance for a downside movement towards 103.90 or even 103.50 mark. So far on the weekly time frame, we have an inside week. Last week relative to the price and range from 2 weeks ago, we have an inside week formation. So watching for the breakout. On the gold market, Friday was kind of weak close, a close in the middle. This is a sign of weakness, and from my perspective there will be a chance for a retest intraday of 23.45, which is basically Friday's low, and then the next downside objective probably around 23.07. So there'll be a chance for a downside movement. We can see here that there was a attempt for market to rally from here, but then we have a failed rally and the market is taking this low. So there is a chance for market to trade towards this consolidation again. So I do see potential for the downside development at this point. 5 minute is very constructive for the further downside movement. As you can see here, supply is really taking control today. So sellers are in control intraday speaking. So we have now crude oil. Crude oil had a rejection of the declining 10-day moving average, and if the market, if we can clear this pin bar low on the daily time frame, so the market can trade below 77, let's say 77 mark, and hold below, then there will be a chance for a bigger downside movement eventually towards the 76 mark or even 71.50 mark. So the next one, the next market is the NASDAQ 100. So here Friday also had a kind of weak close. So there was an attempt at higher high, but market closed very off the high, let's say. So now we have a pin bar high at 18,250 and low at 18,100. There is a still potential, since this is a big cluster from my perspective. Look at the weekly time frame, look at how many reactions from this point. So this is quite a big area, and this 18,400 mark, 18,500 mark, this is quite a big resistance. So there is still potential for the market to trade lower in next period. So And this week close on Friday, then more like a consolidation. So if market can trade below 18,000 mark, 18,000, let's say 80, 18,090, there will be a chance for a downside movement and potential, at least to fill this gap this day here. So market to trade to this 17,800 mark. That'll be all for this update, this InstaForex daily market update. Have a good trading day and speak to you soon.